Hello, my name is Frederick Anefi and you are welcome to Fred Excel lessons for today. Today we are going to look at the power of the text to column function. The text to column function can be found at the ribbon where we have the data, and when you go to the data tools group we have the text to column. Now we are going to see how to work with the text to column. Now assuming that you have a data where we have names, and quickly you want to separate it by the space in between. So what it means is that we have names here and we want to separate the first name from the second name. How can we simply do that? We can do that by using text to column. Very simple. There are other methods which one can use to do it, but today I want to touch on how to use text to column. So first you select the name range, go to text to column, then you have the convert text to column wizard. You choose the delimiter. Then you go to next. Now in the next, choose the space, check the space and look at the data preview. You can see that the line in between the first name and the second name. You go to next and you say finish. Say yes, continue. So automatically you will see that the first name is in cell J, is in column J, and the second name is in column K. So what it means is that we have been able to separate the first name from the second name by simply using text to column. We can at the same time use a text to column to separate the particular employee ID, assuming that your boss asks you that fine, he wants you to put each of the employee IDs into its individual cells. Quickly you can just select the range, go to text to column again under the data tools, select the delimited, go to next. Here you don't choose space because you want to separate it by where we have the hyphen, the hyphenation. So we choose order and we type in the hyphen. Look at the data preview. Automatically you can see that it's separated. Then you go to next, finish. See, it has separated the data by where we have the hyphens. So you can see that it has pushed it to cell or column M, column N, and O. This is how simple really you can use text to column to really separate your data. Thank you for following us on Fred Excel. Don't forget to like and also follow us on our social media pages, Fred Excel. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.